Now understand, mail is the fastest communication, right? So in mails, what happens? You have to tell the person, see, greetings of, say, dear Sagar, greetings of the day. I have official engagements I have official engagements due to which I am unable to attend the classes regularly.
Okay.
Then what did you write in the next line?
Okay. मैं अपना जितना लिखा है पहले वो बता देता. After that we will.
Sure.
तो मैंने ये लिखा था, I want to discuss about my class time. Currently I am pursuing professional course. Along with this, I am also working. In the month of June, my exam will be conducted, and
my exam will be held.
Okay. I have around 1 month only, and need to prepare 8 subjects. Now I want to give up my full time on this study. So I would to attend the class only Saturday and Sunday for 1 hour and 1.5 hours, as per the mentors availability. So I request you to please reschedule my class only for Saturday and Sunday.
Okay. Now we would make it crisp. We would make it crisp and clear and concise it, because these are the long sentences you have drafted. We'll have to reframe those, all the sentences.
Okay.
Right? Now tell me, what have you written there? In the end, you are saying that you have written something in the end.
Yeah. So I request you to please reschedule my class only for the Saturday and Sunday instead of Monday to Friday. Looking forward to hear from you soon. Thanks sincerely, Ankur, and my number.
Okay. So now we'll redraft it. We say, dear Sagar, greetings of the day. Right? Okay. What is the first line? I already dictated it to you.
Okay. I have official engagement due to which.
So you want to talk about your official engagement, or you want to talk about your exams?
I want to talk about my exams.
Okay. So then strike off this line. We say, I am unable to, then start like this. Greetings of the day.
Yes.
Greetings of the day. I am unable to attend the classes regularly.
I
am unable to attend the classes regularly.
Okay.
Because of.
Okay,
don't use because of, use due to. Due to.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Like
my voice is breaking, but your network is slow.
Yeah.
I guess that you have some network issue.
Yeah, right.
So I'll repeat it. I am unable to attend the classes regularly due to my exams.
Okay.
Full stop. My exams are scheduled in June. My exams are scheduled in June.
In
June. Therefore, I need time to prepare for it. Therefore, I need time to prepare for it. Okay. Now what, see, you have written 5-7 lines. What we have done, we have made it clear and crisp in the beginning itself. Email format says never beat about the bush. इधर उधर की बातें गप्पे करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Come straight to the point. Person has no time to read the entire long mail. You are writing a mail. You are not writing an essay. Right? So for that, be crisp and be concise. Concise रखिए, clear रखिए, crisp रखो mail को, right? 3 lines this and now the next line. तो enter करके next line पर आ जाओगे. And then say kindly,
Okay.
kindly allot
In
me.
next line, the same.
Next line.
In the next line or in the
next line.
Okay.
Space दे करके next line में आओगे. हमेशा next line बनाते हैं whenever you want to come to the new point. अब आपने ये message दे दिया मुझे, right? So this mail is reaching me. You have already given this message. This is my problem. I can't attend it regularly. My exams are falling. Correct. Now come to the next line. What do you want now? Information you have given. Now you need to tell me what action should I take to support you. Let's say kindly allot me weekend timings. Kindly allot me weekend timings to continue the course. Right? And then thanks and sincerely, we don't write it. We say regards, Ankur Upadhyay.
Okay, regard.
Regards, Ankur Upadhyay, your mail ID and then your contact number to be mentioned. This is compulsory. And then you have to write in सबके नीचे लिखो p.s. That is known as postscript. Postscript is कि आप जो important चीज उसे बताना चाहते हो. Kind
ये P या B?
P for Punjab. P for Patna.
Okay.
You live in Patna, Ankur, or where do you live? I forgot.
No, not in Patna.
Huh?
Different city.
So which is your city?
You heard about the Buxar.
Buxar. Buxar is in Bihar?
Yeah, right. अभी तो आपको न्यूज़ भी मिली होगी बक्सर की कुछ लाशें वहाँ नदी में मिली हैं.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, you heard.
What happened? What was the case means?
Actually, case was like हमें भी कुछ मतलब ज़्यादातर पता नहीं है.
Hindi I don't understand. So you tell me.
We are also just know through the news.
We
News
also
platform.
got to know through
don't-
news.
Okay. We also got to know through news, and case was like 30 to 40 dead body are just they got 30 to 40 dead body got in the river, and administrative person is saying that like it was came from the UP, and it was not from the like Bihar. It came from the UP.
And how do they know? Means they have a tag that it is from UP?
No, I don't know. They said only that we are not throwing the dead body in the river.
Okay. So this is really a
This is the dead
horrible
body.
thing happened.
Yeah.
That the
I
dead
don't know
bodies were
what
floating in the Ganga River.
Yeah, right. 30 to 40 body.
It's a hefty number. It's a hefty number. Yes. Okay. So postscript होता है p.s. p.s. Now my manager is Sagar. So you are telling us, Sagar, that I already have the word with Jyoti ma'am that she would continue my classes on weekend. So this is an important thing to be informed.
Okay.
So what you would do, postscript p.s. and then semicolon.
Semicolon.
Yeah.
Semicolon किसको कहते हैं?
दो बिंदी.
अच्छा, sorry.
That is called semicolon. Okay. So you will tell that this is called postscript. जब हमें email में कुछ भी चीज highlight करनी होती है तो हम postscript लिखते हैं. The placement of postscript is always After that, regards, your name, your email address, and then your contact number.
Okay. इसके बाद आपने पोस्ट
इसके
स्क्रिप्ट.
बाद ही पोस्टस्क्रिप्ट लिखी जाती है.
Okay. Just like यहाँ से मैंने स्टार्ट किया ये, just like यहाँ से मैंने स्टार्ट किया ये मेरा एंडिंग चल रहा है, ठीक, नंबर एंड नेम से. तो मुझे
हाँ.
इसके थोड़े से इस पे नीचे वाली लाइन में थोड़े से
एक स्पेस देके, हमेशा आपको एक नया जब स्टार्ट करना होगा एक स्पेस दे करके नीचे आना पड़ेगा.
ओके.
Right? So what is the postscript? Postscript is that Jyoti ma'am agreed to conduct the sessions on weekends. So this is how Sagar would get my message. So he could talk to me, ma'am, what is the time available with you?
Okay. Jyoti ma'am agreed to conduct my classes.
My classes or my sessions on weekends.
Okay.
So this is how it is all done.
Okay.
So make
This
it
is new
crisp.
for this is new for me. PS post script. I
This is very
never
important.
heard.
See, when you are sending the mails, professional mails to your office, but right now you're working in Genpact, right? Now,
Yeah.
if you want to
But,
shift to the
honestly, I am speaking in Genpact. Nobody mentioned like PS. Nobody mentioned in Genpact also.
I don't know. Because Genpact is my regular customers. In some of the, I don't attend all the process trainings, but I conduct communication skills training in many processes. But I often go to Gurgaon. You are in Gurgaon or you are in Noida?
Noida,
Or you are in
Noida.
Shastri Nagar?
No, Noida. Noida
136.
135.
135. Okay. So I was
Right.
leading one process training with the one in one of the processes, and I was conducting the training.
Okay.
But that process wrapped up and that was shifted to Gurgaon.
Okay.
So I commonly conduct the trainings in Gurgaon Center. So their post script, and we tell them whatever you want to highlight to your client, to your senior, to your all the SMs or your team leads or to your HR, special point must be mentioned separately in P.S. Postscript. I mean, this is the main point you are getting to know this. And what would Sagar do? Sagar would again find it out. He would talk to me, would make me a call. That ma'am, is the slot available with you? And how are you going to take it on a weekend? And tell me the arrangements, and then he'll talk to you. So he won't have to do this much hustle. He would have no tension when he reads that postscript that Jyoti ma'am agreed to conduct the classes on Wednesdays.
Right.
Simply, he would get a message. So what he does, whatever slot is available with me, he would check out and he would give you that time slot.
Okay.
Yeah, this is how mails are written. So we have created the series of mail, video series for mail.
Okay.
So what you need to do, you need to go through that video series, and then weekend we have a session. That happens for 4 weeks. Then complete the next series. Then Saturday you have a session. Third Saturday you have a session. Then you have to go through the series. So when you go on these learning this couple of series, you would immediately get to know how we draft it. So one I drafted with you so that it gets easier for you to connect with the people, and you would get to know how this thing is done.
Okay. I want to know